you love ice cream pie, and why you gotta ask me why? How do you feel about licorice? Oh my, how I love that dish. My favorite thing of all looks like a bunch of sticky cubes. My favorite food of all is a big bad bowl of caramel soup. Marshmallows, mix them up, and you put some cinnamon in a cup. Throw some sprinkles in just for style, and heat it all up and stir for a while. You drop the caramel ever so slow until you get that tasty glow. Stir and take your time. You want to be sure it tastes just right. You can add some honey if you want to be sure. If you're not feeling well, this is the cure. Reach for some ice cream. Don't forget that ice cream too. Soon you'll have your dream. A big bad bowl of caramel soup. Now I know some people, and here's what they say. Have yourself an apple a day. Then there are those that like their cream. I get their point, I know what they mean. I guess those boosters aren't my style. They might be good, but they don't make me smile. Some of those veggies make me wanna cry. I'm a sucker for sweet, I got high in my eyes. I love my big bad bowl of